Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Friendly English.
Hey friends, it's Daniel here.
And I'm Sara, your English buddy who smiles way too much.
That's true, but smiling is good, right?
Always. And today's episode will make you smile and sound more natural in English.
Yes, because today's topic is better ways to say thank you.
Exactly. We say thank you all the time, but there are many other friendly ways to say it.
And using different ways makes your English sound more real, more alive.
So, are you ready to sound polite, warm, and cool in English?
Let's do it.
Okay, Daniel, let's start with this. We all learn thank you first, right?
Yeah, it's like the first magic English word.
True, but if you always say just thank you, it can sound a little flat.
Or maybe a bit robotic, like robot voice. Thank you. Thank you.
Exactly. So today we'll learn many natural ways to say thank you with feelings.
Like when your friend helps you or someone gives you a gift.
Or even when a teacher explains something.
Yes, let's begin with the first one.
Simple, right? Instead of thank you, say thanks a lot.
It sounds friendly and warm.
Example. Hey, thanks a lot for your help.
You can use it with friends, classmates, or coworkers.
But not in a sarcastic way.
Yeah, don't say it like, ugh, thanks a lot.
That's when you're upset. So use it kindly. Another one. Thanks so much.
Ooh, yes, that's even warmer.
Like when someone gives you a gift or does something nice.
Example, thanks so much for the coffee.
It shows real appreciation, more than just thank you.
Use it often. It's simple and sweet.
Now this one sounds a bit more polite. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, this is great for work or formal situations.
Example, thank you for helping me with my report. I really appreciate it.
It means I'm thankful, but in a more adult, professional way.
And you can also say, I really appreciate your time.
Oh, that's nice. Like when your teacher helps you after class.
Exactly. It's polite and sincere.
I like this one. That's so kind of you.
Me too. It feels gentle, kind, and positive.
You can use it when someone does something thoughtful.
Like, you brought me soup. That's so kind of you.
Perfect for moments of care and friendship.
Yes, it shows you really feel their kindness.
This one is very cheerful. You made my day.
I love this one.
It means someone did something that made you really happy.
Example, wow, you remembered my birthday. You made my day.
It's a big thank you, full of emotion.
So use it when something makes you smile from the heart.
Oh, here's a fun one. I owe you one.
Yes, it's like saying, I'll help you next time.
Right. You can say this when a friend helps you with something.
Example, thanks for the ride. I owe you one.
It means you're thankful and want to return the favor.
But remember, this is casual. Use it with friends, not with your boss.
Please don't tell your boss I owe you one.
Next one, you're the best.
Oh, that's fun. Very friendly.
When someone helps you or gives you something, say, you're the best.
Like, you brought me coffee? You're the best.
Yes, it feels warm and happy.
You can say it to friends, teachers, or even your mom.
Everyone loves to hear that.
This one sounds deep. I can't thank you enough.
Oh, yes. It means you're really, really grateful.
Example, you helped me when I was sick. I can't thank you enough.
It shows strong emotion. You're saying, you did so much for me.
It's polite and powerful.
Use it when something means a lot to you.
Next one is soft and emotional. That means a lot to me.
It's perfect when someone says something kind to you.
Like, you believe in me. That means a lot to me.
So simple, but so beautiful.
It shows you feel the kindness in your heart.
Yes, it's gratitude with emotion, not just words.
And the last one, I'm so grateful.
This one is strong but calm.
Example, I'm so grateful for your support.
Or, I'm grateful to have good friends.
It means I feel thankful inside.
It's a little more serious but very natural.
Yes, beautiful English from the heart.
Okay, let's quickly review what we learned.
Ready? Let's go.
Clap softly.
Number 1, thanks a lot.
Number 2, thanks so much.
Number 3, I really appreciate it.
Number 4, that's so kind of you.
Number 5, you made my day.
Number 6, I owe you one.
Number 7, you're the best.
Number 8, I can't thank you enough.
Number 9, that means a lot to me.
And number 10, I'm so grateful.
10 new ways to say thank you.
Wow! Now your English is 10 times warmer. Sarah, let's explain a bit more. When do we use each kind?
Sure. Thanks a lot and thanks so much are for everyday life.
Yes. Friendly, casual, good for all situations.
I really appreciate it and I'm so grateful are more polite.
Perfect for teachers, coworkers, or your boss.
You made my day and you're the best are very emotional, full of feeling.
Right. Great for friends, family, or your favorite person.
That means a lot to me is for when someone says something kind to you.
Like when a friend supports you or sends you a sweet message.
And I owe you one is casual, like a friendly promise.
Exactly. Okay, let's practice. I'll say a situation and Daniel will choose the best thank you.
Oh no, a game.
Easy game. Ready? So, your friend gives you chocolate.
Thanks so much.
Nice. Next, your teacher helps you after class.
I really appreciate it.
Great. Someone gives you a surprise birthday card.
You made my day.
Perfect. A friend helps you move to a new house.
I owe you one.
Good. Someone says, I believe in you.
That means a lot to me.
Wow, Daniel, you're a pro. So, friends, saying thank you is more than just words.
Yes, it's about feeling and connection.
When you say thank you with heart, people feel your kindness.
It makes life warmer and English more human.
Gratitude is like sunshine. It makes everything brighter.
Beautifully said, Sarah.
Thank you.
See, she's using the lesson already.
All right, friends, that's all for today's episode. Better ways to say thank you.
We hope you enjoyed it and learned some new phrases.
Try to use one new way today, maybe with your teacher, your friend, or your family.
And listen again tomorrow to keep your English growing.
If you like this episode, follow our podcast and share with your friends.
Yes, sharing helps more people learn English with love.
Thank you so much for listening.
Take care, stay kind, and stay grateful.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.